Hello you guys, I hope you all are doing well. So here I am with the part 3 of Nykaa Black Friday sale recommendation. I have already done part 1 and part 2 जहाँ मैंने face and base makeup in drugstore category and eye and lip product किया हुआ है. So अगर आपने part 1 and part 2 नहीं देखी है तो watch it after watching this video. There you will find some stunning recommendation and I love all of the products. I thought why not share the high-end version also, because Nykaa has been launching a lot of high-end brands. So whatever I have used and bought and have a good experience with, मैं वो सारे products आपको recommend करूँगी. अब मैं सब कुछ आपको recommend नहीं करना चाहती because I don't want to confuse you. But अगर एक sentence में बोलूँ, so these products I like to go for. If you can save a little here, why not? So without rambling too much, let's get started. Now I have a mix of lot of things here, but यहाँ पे आपको एक भी लिपस्टिक नहीं मिलेगी बिकॉज मैं जनरली हाई एंड से लिपस्टिक्स नहीं खरीदती बिकॉज मुझे लगता है ड्रग स्टोर में ही आपको काफ़ी अच्छे फॉर्मूलाज मिल जाते हैं, वो भी आजकल एक्सपेंसिव हैं. तो डू चेक आउट द पार्ट 2 वीडियो वेर यू विल फाइंड सम स्टनिंग लिपस्टिक रिकमेंडेशन, बट इन दिस वीडियो वी डोंट हैव एनी. But let's get started with the base product. So first up I have a primer to suggest. ये मैंने last year भी आपको suggest किया था, इस साल दोबारा कर रही हूँ because मैंने इसके बाद एक और ख़रीदा है but I doubt it will be available. So I'm just showing you this one. Is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. बहुत अच्छा प्राइमर है. टू फेस पे हमेशा डिस्काउंट आता है और वो अच्छे ऑफर्स देते हैं डिस्काउंट के साथ. यू गेट टू सो मैनी फ्री गुडीज़ ऑल्सो. तो टू फेस्ड इज़ वन ब्रांड जो आपको कम्प्लीटली चेकआउट करना है. और अगर आपको कन्फ्यूजन है कि मैं क्या ले लूँ, प्राइमर ले लूँ. बहुत अच्छा है ये प्रोडक्ट, बहुत क्रीमी है, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है स्किन पे. और हाँ, इट इज़ वर्थ एवरी पेनी. गेट द फुल साइज़, डोंट गेट अ स्मॉल साइज़ बिकॉज एक बार आप इसे यूज़ करने लगोगे तो आपको इसकी लत लग जाएगी एंड देन यू बी लाइक मैंने फुल साइज़ क्यों नहीं लिया. तो इसकी फुल साइज़ ज़रूर लेना अगर आप प्राइमर में बिलीव करते हो एंड यू आर ऑल अबाउट प्राइमर जस्ट लाइक मी, प्राइमर जंकी. This is something which you should definitely add it to your wish list. Now in this video you may find too many products from a brand because जो भी Nykaa पे available है मैं उन्हीं products के बारे में बात करूँगी यहाँ. I will try to make a video where I talk about some other products which I have bought from Instagram. If you are interested, do let me know. But again, Too Faced has some amazing base products and I would say all in all मुझे उनके base products बहुत अच्छे लगे and I have a very good experience with almost every single base product I've used. Saying that, foundation and concealer, the Born This Way range say this is the normal foundation. I would not call it as more of a dewy foundation, but they have a matte version also. अगर आप matte foundation में interested हैं तो pick up the matte. But these are the two products to go for. Again you get a big size concealer here for 1900 और ये होती है कुछ 26 या 2700 की. All in all मुझे completely well done base products लगते हैं Too Faced से because ये आपको अच्छा medium to full coverage दे सकते हैं. This concealer though is super blendable, not so thick, not so watery, and it just blends into the skin like nobody's business. So yes, both the products from Too Faced are really good. So if you want to add like a high-end foundation and a concealer, then might as well get both. Now how to pick a shade? If you know your foundation shade, pick up the same concealer shade. If you know your concealer shade, you then pick up the same foundation shade. But this goes only for this range. I don't know about the matte range. But yes, these are two stunning base products. Now let's move on to another foundation which I absolutely love, but I doubt there will be a good discount. But this brand has a offer like buy 2 get 1 or buy 3 and you get 3. There are a lot of offers which this brand offers, but you just have to click. Now you can't be buying too many. Now the problem is when you need only one product and brand offers like you buy 2 and then you get the third one, there you can decide what is that next product you would like to try from the brand, that you have to make a decision by your own. But yes, these offers do kill it, but then I don't find these offers very lucrative to me because I feel I end up spending more because मुझे चाहिए एक ही था. Just to avail that offer I added up 2 more products, but I ended up paying also for those 2 products. So yes, be mindful, be wise enough, don't fall for these offers. Fall for the offers where you feel जहाँ आपको एक ब्रांड से 3 प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए तो ये ऑफर्स काम करते हैं. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो then these are like, you know, they're just making you buy more. So yes, be smart. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव अ मैक फाउंडेशन. अगेन अ हाई एंड फाउंडेशन. मैंने ज़्यादा हाई एंड फाउंडेशंस यूज़ नहीं किए हैं गर्ल्स. जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ, जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, उसमें डेफिनेटली ये वन ऑफ द हाई एंड गुड फाउंडेशन है. तो अगर आपको 3000 का फाउंडेशन 20% ऑफ में मिल जाए तो ले लेना. बट अगर सिर्फ आपको फाउंडेशन ही चाहिए और आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए और बाय 2 get 1 वाला ऑफर है तो देन आई थिंक यू कैन जस्ट कीप योर सेल्फ अवे. I'll be very honest here, I don't shop like this. You have to be a smart shopper, not like a fool shopper. So अगर आपको लिपस्टिक में इंटरेस्ट है तो एक लिपस्टिक ऐड कर लो. ऐसे कुछ you can do, but do not force yourself upon very expensive products. But if you're eyeing this one by MAC, try to have a look on it. But I doubt MAC will offer very good discount on their products. Next up I have another foundation which is very new and I'm wearing it today. Is the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. ये दो मैंने Sephora इंडिया वेबसाइट से खरीदा था. बट अगर आपको नायका पे ब्लैक फ्राइडे में अच्छा ऑफर मिल जाए और इस फाउंडेशन पे डिस्काउंट हो तो ज़रूर ले लेना. ना दिस इज़ नॉट दैट फाउंडेशन जो सबको पसंद आएगा. रीज़न बीइंग ये कुछ आपको मेजर कवरेज नहीं देता. इट इज़ योर बेसिक फाउंडेशन इन अ स्टिक फॉर्मेट. इट इज़ क्रीमी, बहुत स्मूथ है, ब्रश से भी अच्छा ब्लेंड हो जाता है और ब्लेंडर से भी अच्छा ब्लेंड हो जाता है. बट अगर आपको डेली वेयर के लिए चाहिए तो आप ये ले सकते हो. ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का स्टिक फाउंडेशन है, बहुत ईजी टू यूज़ भी है. सो आई लाइक्ड इट. I would highly recommend if you're a person who doesn't believe into foundation concept and wants to have a base. Like this question comes to me a lot of times when people say I want to buy a foundation but I don't want like it to be seen. So this is the one. Like it is not seen. Like on camera you may feel because I've set my face with the powder and all, but by itself it doesn't show up that you are wearing like a layer of foundation. So keep an eye on this one as well. Though मैंने ये Sephora इंडिया वेबसाइट से फ्लैट 50 में ले लिया था. Steal deal. That was a steal deal. I have waited so long for this foundation. I went to Nykaa stores for so many times, but I never bought one for me because I was like, no, I just have to control my urges and save some money and then buy the product. This one is well done. I'm in the shade called Biscuity. It's a perfect match for my skin. I can buy foundations online. Dead on. Let's move on to some powder products. I don't have too many to show you, though I had 2 more, but I cannot suggest you those because I don't see them restocking on Nykaa, so I don't see them coming back anymore. First up I have these the other Too Faced base products. Mostly are from Too Faced only. One is from a new brand. So we have this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, sorry. And again a wonderful bronzer. If you want only one bronzer then you can get this one. It is only for 2300 as much as I remember, and you get a stunning bronzer. I think they have added 2 more shades because at least in the store I could see it. On Nykaa's website I really don't know. I think they have added 1 more shade, so do check it out. But I think this was the deeper shade I could get it, and this complements my skin wonderfully. Even NC44 I think would like it, or 45 ke liye I think it will not show. So yes, 42 ke liye it is like a perfect match. I really like it. Smooth, buttery, blends easily, and one of the best bronzers. Getting a bronzer in a high-end brand is also not that easy because like I have a very bitter experience with MAC Cosmetics. So yes, I am very scared to buy bronzers from high-end. But past 1 year, whichever high-end bronzer I have bought, I must tell you I have been amazed by all. And I must tell you, you will get some stunning bronzers in high-end. आप drugstore भूल जाओगे, seriously. Next up, another product by Too Faced I have is this setting powder, Born This Way multi-use complexion powder. Now I must tell you a story before I just straight up jump into the recommendation part. जब मैंने product review किया था girls, I was not very happy with the product and I told you that I will give more time to this product. And I'll tell you, you can see that Born that imprint has gone now, and I do feel that I'm going to hit pan on this powder. Today also I'm wearing it. I wore it in the morning and I just did a touch up before this filming. It's a good powder. It's just that I think that first layer has to go off and then it starts performing and sits well onto the skin. It has the nice blurring. It really keeps your under eye in place. So yes, it works. So it is a good powder. I have not tried too many pressed powders in high end. I just feel, why do I have to put so much of money on a compact powder? But for a person like me who does use compact powders like more often and uses compact powder, not loose powder, I should be investing on high end, and this is definitely one of those investments and I really like it. So if you want to set your face, if you have a combination to oily skin and you want a powder which just mattifies seamlessly without depositing too much of product, then this is the one you can consider buying. Though if you have any suggestions on high-end compact powders, do suggest me. Please do not suggest to me Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. Not many people liked it and I see myself not liking it, abhi se. So please do not suggest me that powder. I'm not buying it because it is very expensive. So yeah, I'll keep myself away from that powder. But other than that, if you have any if you can suggest me something in a good pricing, do let me know. I will try to grab one. Let's move on to another pressed powder product and a base product. It is something new into my vanity, but I have been using lately a lot and I'm really happy that I picked it up. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Sandal. This is how the bronzer is. Oh my god, it's a magical product. It's lovely, it's amazing. I just like the way it sits on my skin. I just love using it. It's like very smooth. A lot of product comes in one go on your brush and you are sorted, but if you take too much then it can get a little patchy on the skin if you don't blend it quickly. I do feel with this bronzer it has a nice gray also going on, which can give you a little contour effect while bronzing itself, so you can even contour yourself with this. The saddest part is that on Nykaa इसका सिर्फ एक ही शेड अवेलेबल है और इसके अलावा एक भी नहीं, जबकि इसमें और 3 शेड्स अवेलेबल हैं इंटरनेशनली. So let's see, by the time the sale happens, maybe they add more shade, but as of now they have Sandal, and I see this shade will complement many Indian skin. This shade can be used by anyone, even the fair to light, medium to deep, not deep but tan. Deeper can also use this shade. This is more of a universal bronzer shade. It is deep. So yes, another wonderful product. If you get it in discount, why not? मैंने भी डिस्काउंट में खरीदा था. ये 3000 का ब्रांजर है, मुझे इस पे 10% ऑफ मिला था, तो आई गॉट दिस ब्रांजर. हाँ, वो भी था, एंड देन आई एंडेड अप यूजिंग माई नायका पॉइंट्स, सो आई बॉट दिस ब्रांजर ओनली फॉर 2500. सो दैट्स हाउ आई से दैट यू हैव टू बी अ स्मार्ट शॉपर. Don't be an impulsive shopper or don't fall for a lot of discounts. You have to be very mindful. Don't place your order at one go. Go slowly during these sales. If the sale is for 5 days, then you have 5 days to shop. और 5 दिन में बहुत different offers आते हैं, and brands do offer multiple offers. So why not wait every single day and then buy? Do not buy everything on the first day itself. So there you have your base sorted. Let's move on to some eye products, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you face palettes. Now eye के लिए I don't have too many options, but these 3 brands you can look out for. So it's not like जो palettes मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको वही खरीदने हैं, आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, but I will just suggest you this could be your best pick. Now try getting Huda Beauty 9 pan eyeshadow palette. Now this is a very older one. I am also eyeing, like, I could have got the new Huda Beauty khaki palette in the last hot pink sale because it was slashed to flat 50 and the palette was only for 1200. I did not get it because I was so skeptical on it. So I was like, okay, leave it. So wait for this, like, you know, sale to happen. You will definitely get these palettes on 50% discount, I am assuming. So try the Obsession palettes. She has added more number of palettes. You can keep yourself away from those palettes which have all pastel shades. I don't see them working for Indian skin. Go for something more warmer. It will perform on your eyes. It will show up on your eyes, because you are paying a lot of money. And even if you get the palette for 50% off, but still the palette is expensive. So yes, if you have done so much of saving, you've added the product in your wish list, you waited for so long, and buying a palette which doesn't look appear on your eyes, then there is no point even putting that 1200 rupees. So be thoughtful on those aspects as well. But this one is one of my favorite palettes. I've used it so much, so I'm really happy on this purchase. मैंने इसे भी 50% ऑफ में ही खरीदा था. So हाँ, this is one option in eyeshadow family, Huda Obsession palettes or Huda 9-pan palettes. Next up I have the Morphe palette, which is as of now not available on Nykaa. But अगर ऐसा कोई palette Morphe का Nykaa पे आ जाए 9-pan, तो ट्राई ग्रैबिंग. वैसे भी मुझे लगता है कि Morphe will add up more products. They are slowly adding, but I don't know why they didn't add 9-pan eyeshadow palettes, which is more convenient and more people would have bought palettes, because I don't want those 32 वाला पैलेट. इट्स बिग इन साइज. अगर 32 आई शेडोज मुझे छोटे पैलेट में मिल जाएंगे तो आई विल टेक इट, बट इट्स बिग. That is my problem. So that is why look out for 9-pan, or they have these rectangles ones which are a little smaller, but I still feel they should be launching the 9-pans. If they launch it, get it. They are also really good. The shadows are pressed really hard. Initially you may feel that the shadows are not getting on the brush. You just have to loosen it up and it just performs really well. Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes are the ones to go for. Again, the quality is really up notch. I'm telling you. The palette I have, it's not available on Nykaa, but just for the reference purpose I'm showing you. So I have this Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette. I must tell you, this is like one of the best palettes, and whenever I use this palette I get the best eye look, and every time I get a compliment. So yes, this is one of my purchases, a wonderful purchase I did, and now I don't see it anymore. I think it has been discontinued completely. I don't know, but it is not available on Nykaa. But if you get it on Nykaa, this palette, get it. But Nykaa has more palettes like the soft nude one, or the modern renaissance one. The other thing which I noticed about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette are that after opening they are safe to be used till 18 months. Earlier when she used to launch the initial palette, the modern renaissance and the subculture palette, those were only for 6 months. So yes, a lot has been revamped and you can use this palette much longer. So I look out for Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. And another last eye product is a mascara by Huda Beauty, the Legit Lashes. I would highly recommend you get this one. It's a wonderful mascara into high-end category. I could have suggested you Smashbox. I use it. I could have suggested you Too Faced. I used to use it. Why am I not suggesting you? Because after some time they start falling into your eyes, which I'm not liking. And recently I have realized a lot with high-end mascaras these things. So yes, this is the one mascara which has been working abhi tak bahut acha, and it is a really good mascara by Huda Beauty. I think she has launched a mini also, but I feel you should not get the mini. You should get the full size only and enjoy the product. This is one product which is like one go. Like, you don't need falsies, you don't need 2-3 mascaras to get that lashes. Just apply this one and you are done and sorted. You get volumizing, curling and lengthening, all 3 in one mascara. This mascara is for I think 20 to 50 or something. Yes, 20 to 50. But in Black Friday you can still get it in 20-25% off, maybe 50% also. Keep an eye on this one. So this video is very chilled out video. I'm not trying to be very, जैसे कि मैं बहुत ही review type mode में नहीं हूँ आज. So I'm just casually telling you the products, but these are some of the well done products into high end categories. I know there will be more high end products which are well done. So if you have any recommendations for me, do leave it down through your comments. Maybe I will also buy those in Nykaa Black Friday, and maybe you can help me building my wish list. Why not? I really like to add products in my wish list before these sales, because then क्या होता है, जब तक आप वो decide करते हो तब तक वो out of stock हो जाता है. That is why these videos help you to understand, do you really need that product? Now we are down to 2 face palette. One of them is still not available on Nykaa, but maybe if it is available, because देखो क्या होता है ना, आज मैं वीडियो फिल्म करूँगी, कल ही लॉन्च कर देंगे वो, या 5 दिन बाद कर देंगे, तो उससे क्या होता है कि I cannot refilm this video. I have already filmed it. So just on a precautionary side, since the brand is already existing on Nykaa and they are adding more products, maybe they would add this as well, is the Morphe Blush Trio Blush Palette. Now this is a stunning palette, I must tell you. Morphe has more number of shades in this. I picked up this one. Now if you want a nice compact blush palette which has 3 well done blushes, which has a matte plus, a more of a sheen blush, and this is more of a highlighting blush, which is not too highlighting, which will show up like a highlighter. So you can try these palettes. They come very handy when you're traveling, when you want to have like a multiple blushes. And the best part is all the 3 blushes complement each other. They are not like one एक orange blush डाल दिया, एक pink डाल दिया, एक peach डाल दिया, ऐसे नहीं. They complement each other, so you can mix and match and use it on your skin. I have also topped up my blush with 2 of the blushes just before filming this video. So yes, this is a stunning palette by Morphe. Very easy to use, very compact and easy to travel with. And then our last product is something which you should get it. Reason being, I know everybody loves Benefit Cosmetic cheek products, the bronzer, the blushes, but why to buy them separately when you can get everything in one palette for like 1/3 of the price? So yes, this is one palette which is now available on Nykaa also. There are 2 palettes available on Nykaa. One has 3 and one has 5. 5 one is still available as of I'm still filming, but there are more palettes which are available on Sephora now India website also, so do check out that website as well. But अगर आपको ये Nykaa पे डिस्काउंट पे मिल जाए तो do grab it. अगर डिस्काउंट पे नहीं भी मिले तो भी ले लो, because ये बहुत ही सस्ता है compared to single pans. So this is the Benefit Cosmetic Cheek Star Reunion palette, which has your 5 stunning well done face products. You have a highlight, you have a bronzer, then you have like 2 bronzers, you have a nice sun-kissed bronzing happening here, and then you have a blush. Though I would say the blush is not the intense blush, it will give you a nice flush going on, but do not expect like the intense blush which I have it on my cheeks. If you are a person who doesn't like too much of blush happening on the cheeks, you will like this one a lot. Not my favorite in the whole pan, but other 4, oh my god, to die for. So yes, all in all, I really like the whole palette concept, and then you get a stunning brush here which is again working on my cheeks. So yes, here all the pans which you see, they are full size pans, and one single pan will cost you 3100. So you can calculate for yourself. अगर आप 5 अलग-अलग खरीदोगे तो आप कितने पैसे दोगे? Sorry, my camera died. So you can calculate it for yourself. How much will you pay if you buy every single pan? But this palette in a whole costed me, MRP is 6200. मुझे ये मिला 4700 में, because I could save 15% on it. So yes, try to get this palette. कुछ मत लेना, यही लेना, I will tell you. This is like one of my best purchases of 2021, I would say. A well done palette, good. Benefit Cosmetic has done some amazing job on their face palettes, I must tell you. And उन्होंने वही डाले हैं उन palettes में जो existing shades हैं. तो if you really want to try like 2 to 3 shades, then you just pick up these palettes and you're sorted. Even the 3 pan one is only for 2850 rupees, guys. It is not even a price of your one full size pan. So try checking out some face palettes in high-end category. So now I guess you are all set and sorted for your Nykaa Black Friday sale. जो भी आपको लगे कि हाँ, this product will work on you and you will enjoy it, don't forget to add the products in your wish list. And yes, If you happen to pick up any of the products I recommended you, do let me know. I would love to hear what was your experience with the product. Another one thing, the links in my description are affiliate links of Nykaa. So if you happen to make a purchase after clicking on those links within 24 hours, I do make up a small commission, but more than commission, Nykaa knows that you bought it from my link, and that really helps me to get more brand campaigns. Being very transparent with you, that's how I am, and that's how my channel is being working so far. I hope you loved watching this video and the whole series on the Nykaa Black Friday sale recommendations. Yes, I wanted to give you the best suggestions, and I think I have done my best. Consider subscribing if you really loved watching this video, as well as if you like my content. It will really make me happy, and I do like to see that number increasing every single day. And yes, follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek, because I do end up posting a lot of other content on my Instagram, and I keep updating you about some interesting offers also, which keep happening in between as well. Now it's time I take a leave. Don't forget to watch the part 1 and part 2. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.